Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share a character AI link. Let's begin with the tutorial. First, you open your character AI in your desired browser. Then after, over here, choose a character you want to send the link of. Then here you can see the three dots icon, tap on it. Here you can see the option of download or send option. Here you can see, then here you can see share link. You can use it. You get many options: WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebooks, and on other apps as well. You can share it with any one of it. Then here you can just copy. You can also send QR, generate a QR or copy a link, and then copy paste it and send it to whomever you want to send. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.